Hello friends, Santa Sayang here. Come, let's cook chili padi lemak chicken. Yeah, chicken with chili padi lemak coconut. So I already had 1.5 kg of chicken over here. Diluted coconut milk, 2 large onions, 5 chili padi from my garden. And then this paste is ginger, garlic, celery, onion, which I had blended into a paste. Some onion leaves and Himalaya salt. Jom, let's cook chili padi lemak chicken. I'm going to add in these blended ingredients to the hot oil. Add in salt. When it boils, I will add in the chicken. A bit of turmeric. Add sufficient bit of sugar and salt to taste. So now I'm going to add in coconut milk, diluted coconut milk, and cover the lid and cook it for at least about 10 to 15 minutes. Look friends, it's about to ready. So lastly, I will be adding large onions and spring leaf, a bit of tomatoes for my taste. Actually, chili padi lemak no need to add tomato, but I prefer to add tomato. Okay friends, well done with my chili padi lemak, chicken chili padi lemak. Well done. So why don't you try at home, serve your family, and intro to your friends about the recipe in my YouTube channel 100 over. So hope to get you back again in my next episode. Have a great day. Stay safely. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Santa Sayang.